Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone and opening Phyphox. Grant sensor and microphone permissions so data flows freely. Place the device on a steady surface and avoid interruptions. Airplane mode helps. Open the app and pick an experiment template like accelerometer or audio recorder to match your goal. Tap the experiment to load its interface and glance at the controls. Once loaded, you're ready to configure sampling rate and units. Those choices determine precision and file size. Now configure and calibrate for accurate results. You choose a sampling rate such as 100 HC and a recording duration. Higher rates capture finer details but increase file size. Calibrate sensors using the app's zero or offset tools to remove bias. Enable any built-in filters or logging to reduce noise and store raw data. Make sure to preview the live graph to confirm expected signal shape. Once the trace looks correct, you're ready to start the actual measurement. Record your measurement by tapping Record and watch the live graph for anomalies. Use markers for important events to simplify analysis. When finished, stop and inspect the plotted trace, then export as CSV, JSON, or audio depending on your analysis tool. Use Share to send files to cloud storage or email. If results look noisy or inconsistent, check phone placement, close background apps, or lower the sampling rate. Shielding from vibration or recalibrating often fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.